put it like here. How do I make it go? Oh wait, is it recording? You guys are such freaks. I'm not even videotaping.
You seem so like shit. Wait, give me a flower or something to give it. You bite my fingers off and I'll cut you. I don't trust that. Here, dandelion. Here, eat that. I said it.
Dang, Regina.
That was my cousin.
Oh, look how cute they are. They're snuggling.
Oh, that one, ew, that one just pooed.
Never mind. Damn, I don't run with electronical device. Hey!
Oh, sorry.
Yeah!
Oh my god! There's more! I think these ones don't like us. What if I have to keep one of them again? Oh look, they know we're one of their kind. I'm so fucking confused. Oh, that one's pissing. They all are! They all take a turn to pee right in front of us. No.
Okay.
Here, eat this.
Oh, he seems lonely.
No, not me!
Oh, Jess, what if he's gonna attack you? Yeah, Jess, he's got horns like no other.
He what?
He has horns. Oh, look, there's another one back there. Oh, never.
Oh, look at this thing. Ah! Hi.
Oh. Goodbye.